Welcome back to Kenton and Habiba. Welcome, my name is Habiba, and today we're going to be making a no-bake cream and fresh fruit cake. Yes, and I know if you are a frequent viewer to this channel, you're probably thinking, didn't she make something similar last weekend? Yes, I did, but I decided to elevate it a little bit. I knew I could do a better job, and since I'm such a perfectionist, I wanted to make it again just better. Besides, it's spring and Mother's Day is just around the corner. You can't have too many desserts with fruit. This might be the inspiration you need to make something simple and beautiful. So I invite you to sit back and relax and watch me make this dessert. Unlike my previous videos where I do a voiceover, I'm not going to do a voiceover during the actual making of the dessert. I just want you to, again, sit back and relax and watch it. Now, before we go into the kitchen, I just wanted to, look around my garden, get some inspiration, feel relaxed. Now, at this point, I realize one of my rose bushes looks a little sick, so I'm going to pull her aside and take a closer look. Look at her leaves. Clearly she's been infected. Comment below if you know what this disease or this problem is. Here's her sister looking very healthy. Very healthy, very luscious, very green. Now back to my diseased rose. So we're just going to have to trim off some of the leaves, some of the branches, and just give her a good haircut. And hopefully she'll come back looking healthy soon. While cutting off the branches, I think of the infection sporotrichosis. Sporotrichosis is a fungal infection you can get from rose thorns. It's actually another nickname for the disease is called rose handler's disease. It's actually a fungus. Anyway, for now, we won't worry. Our rose bush is looking a lot better. Okay, I'm just going to get a little bit of sweeping done of the deck before we go inside and I make the dessert. I just feel a lot better when the deck is neat because I do spend a lot of time outside reflecting, relaxing. The plants help me in terms of my mental health. I honestly feel like it's a very important part of the house. Even if I lived in the smallest house, I have to have an outside space where I can decorate with plants and where I can relax and just find peace. And so for me, this doesn't feel like a chore at all. It's actually something I look forward to doing. All done, and I managed to get a little bit of exercise and the garden looks happy. So like I said before, I'm not going to do a voiceover while making this dessert, but I'm sure you'll be able to follow along with the written captions. Let me know if you like this style of video, comment below, or if you prefer that I talk through the video.
shot? You think a shot is? You must chug this shit. Why is it?
Drink it. It's good for you.
You said a shot. This is
Well, a shot turned into a full glass, or half a glass. That's about half a glass.
No.
Whipping cream. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got some inspiration, and I hope to see you soon. Don't forget to watch another video, and don't forget to give us a like, thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Bye, and we'll see you soon. Hopefully we'll be back on Sunday with a new video.